Let's go over the solution to this dragon problem here. So a dragon is determined to keep would-be adventurers from rushing to steal its treasure. There are 3 doors in its lair, and the treasure is only behind one of them. Is behind only one of them. The left door is labeled the treasure is behind this door. The middle door is labeled the treasure is not behind this door. The right door is labeled the treasure is not behind the left door. If exactly one of these labels is true, which door is the treasure behind? Alright, so we've got our doors. Okay, here are the doors with their labels. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a heuristic called exhaustion. Basically, if I look at these 3 doors, then either this treasure behind this left one, or this treasure behind the middle one, or the treasures behind the right one. So I'm going to go through each of these scenarios, remembering that only one of the 3 statements on the door is true. So let's start working through if the treasure is behind the left door. If the treasure is behind the left door, then this statement is true. Right? The left door statement is true because the treasure is behind it. The treasure is not behind this door. Well, if the treasure is behind the left door, then this is also true. And the treasure is not behind the left door is false. But this isn't what we're looking for. We were told only one of the statements would be true. So this case can't be. This is the wrong answer for this problem because it doesn't match our true-false definitions we need, our true-false statement. All right, so let's try our second option. Suppose that the treasure is behind this middle door. If the treasure is behind this middle door, then the treasure is behind this door on the left-hand door is false because it's not behind there, it's behind this middle door. If the treasure is behind the middle door, then what the middle door says is false because it says it's not behind here. And then on the right door, we say the treasure is not behind the left door. The treasure isn't behind the left door in this case, so this is true. So I believe that the treasure should be here behind the second door. To be absolutely certain, what I'm going to do is check the other case, and then I'll have checked all the possibilities, and I'll know for sure that it must be this middle door. Okay, in this third case, we've got the treasure behind the right door. The treasure is behind this door is false, because it's not behind that left door. Treasure is not behind this door is true, because it's not behind the middle door. And then the treasure is not behind the left door is true, because it's behind the right door. So this case can't happen, because again I have 2 trues, and I only wanted 1 true. So instead, the treasure must be behind the middle door, because that's the only place where I get a single truthful statement out of the 3 options. As a note on this problem, just quick, a lot of people, when they do this problem or a problem like this, get confused in that they think that this door has to be the one with the treasure behind it, the one with the true statement. If I had said that, then this problem would have issues, okay, because it can't be behind this door with only 1 true statement, which is what we just figured out. So again, exhaustion was my heuristic, and that treasure's got to be behind the middle door.